Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we want to compare two transactions. So we have transaction code that's for A and transaction code for B. We want to find out whether transaction code for 2 is all in code 1. So to do that we'll use the match function. So equal sign match. We are saying match. Okay, so we'll go and look for this in this whole data. We want to see whether it's in. Control shift down. We use the F4 to block it. Comma exact. Whatever we are looking, we want the exact match. So 0. Then we close our parentheses. Then we enter. What it means is that this particular transaction code 2 or this transaction can be found in the number 12. That's row 12 here, as you can see. So 14, you can see that is the same. So you have this transaction code here. Now if we drag this down, where we have the non-applicable means those particular transaction was not really found in here. So you can see that the 46 shoes 1848 is in row 9. So you can see there we have it here. Okay, so we can then introduce the S number too. So in a situation where we have the transaction code 2 to be in transaction code 1, we want it to read true. So to do that, we just introduce the S number in the formula bar in addition to what we have. So S number, so then comma, so then where is there, it means it's true. Where we don't have it will be false. So that is it. So it means where we have the transaction code to be present in code 1, we will have it to be true. This is how smart you can use the formula, that's the S number and the match, to really compare two transaction code or data you have in two different columns. Thank you very much for following us on YouTube Consults and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.